Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Eli and today we are giving this wheel a glow up. That's right, take a look at it now. Boom, this is the new final product. All the things that I'm gonna be doing to this wheel is for less than $20. So it's a super easy thing that you can do for your wheels. Let's jump right in. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing is painting the caliper. That's this brake piece here. This is one that I've watched a couple people online do. I actually tried out a couple different methods up front already. The easiest method I think is gonna be to just take off the wheel. We'll cover everything up, keep it in place, and then be able to paint it right there. You can have seen some people take the whole thing off, and there's concerns about the braking system there. Definitely the easiest and best way to do it, I think, is to just make sure you cover everything up and then paint it right in place. So that's gonna be the first thing we're gonna do.
A few moments later.
So the next thing I'm gonna do, and it's really important to try and get a good cleaning job on this. So I have a couple things I'm gonna use. I have two different types of wire brushes. I have this, the brake cleaner, and then this is a special one that is the caliper cleaner itself. But I'm gonna be using all of these, and then I have some microfiber cloths I'll also be using. All right, I'd say this wheel looks pretty clean now. The whole caliper, all this looks really clean. I did end up using this here. This is just a detailing brush, so it's really light. But yeah, I think between these brushes here, the sprays and that brush, I think that'll give us a nice surface for painting. Just want to show a quick close up what it looks like, all sprayed or all prepped. So here we go. You can see it's all taped up. There's no visible signs of the actual disc itself, which is good. Last thing I'll do is I'll just put something right here just to make sure I don't get any spray on any of that. But next up is gonna be the easy part. Just gonna be shaking this up and then spraying it on. Okay, the instructions say to let it dry for about 15 minutes and then hit it with another coat. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and let it dry. The other thing I'm gonna do is hit this wheel with a brush, some of this spray foam and some of this, and boom, looking nice. This is all dry, looking very good. All right. Time to take the tape off and put the wheel back on.